Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Antonio App Store Card Token crypto coin. Now first of all, check their social account. Now this token is available in the screener, but before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is available in the screener, and the token is under the Solana network. And the most important is that the liquidity is locked 100%, because that means your investment is in safe place. So let's go to buy the token. Now copy the token address from here and go to your Phantom wallet. This is the best place to buy this token. Now click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana, and from here now paste the token address to make sure that you select the right token to save your money and you don't lose it. Now after you select it, now type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. And from the providers, choose one of them, select Jupiter, and after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter to connect it to Phantom wallet and to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the Antonio token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.